What's up guys, welcome back to my trunk. I have a new plan. That means that these boards what I already did, I have to make those new. It's not a big problem, I already bought new wood and actually a little bit better material, a little bit stronger, and it is a little bit heavier, but it doesn't matter. The thing is that I don't want to have a box here for the subwoofer that I have to take every time away when I need the space, and nowadays I need it quite much. I will build this subwoofer box here, but the thing is that I don't want to take this spare tire away and all these tools. I never had a flat tire before, but you never know when it's going to happen. That means that this box what I'm going to build here for the subwoofer, it has to be pretty shallow. The subwoofer what I'm going to buy, it's going to be Hertz model 250 something. I want to buy it from my friend and hopefully I will get a little bit better price. At the moment they don't have it in stock. Of course I have all the measurements for this subwoofer. My original plan for this floor was that it's coming exactly like this original floor was, but it won't give me enough space that I can build this subwoofer box. I have to raise this floor a little bit. This new floor, it's coming here. It will give me just enough space that I can make this subwoofer box high enough. I think it's going to be interesting. The subwoofer, it's very shallow. It's only 83 millimeters deep. So I have here just enough space to build the subwoofer box. It's going to be a sealed box. Net volume, it's going to be about 14 liters. For this amplifier I bought this kind of cable set. It came with the fuse box, power cable, remote cable and this ground cable. This ground cable, that's pretty short. I have to find a ground for this amplifier. One place where I can try is this one. I'm just a little bit worried this thing is kind of painted. Is there any clear metal? I don't know. It might be that that's not a good place because there's not clear metal. I would have another place which would be good, but this cable is just too short. Yeah. Well, I think only chance is now that I can find a longer cable. But it's not going to be easy. I knew it. So I had to buy this one. Starter cable kit. 16 square millimeter thick cable. I think it's enough. This thickness, I needed only maybe this much. It's kind of funny that you can't buy this kind of stuff anymore from the normal shop. Of course I could always order stuff from online, but I need it now, so some years ago when I moved here to this area, there was a car hifi shop, only for car stereos and stuff like that. Not anymore, it's gone. That's sad. Here, this point here, I think that would be enough to get a ground. Yep, that's it. Now I just have to get this cable through this, behind this. I hope I don't have to take this apart, the whole thing. Bleeding. Come on. It's so close. It's so close. Oh. I think it's pretty good there. Okay, because I changed my plan. I made this trunk floor higher, about 20 millimeters higher. That's why I also have to lift up this panel. And to do this, I will use this kind of wooden feet, which I made. These are 30 millimeters high, and I will just glue these in place. This amplifier is, of course, it's coming about here, but because of these holes, which will help this amplifier to cool down a little bit better, I'm going to use these feet between the amplifier and the panel, so it will give a little bit more space here. I think this gray carpet, it doesn't look bad. I can always paint this black if I want to do so. But at the moment, I don't know. It doesn't look bad. So the next one, subwoofer box. I hope I will get the subwoofer pretty soon.